So today we're going to talk about the importance of getting your drywall screws absolutely right in relation to the depth at which they're screwed in. If you see here, I'm just pushing this drywall here. The screws that have been put in have gone in way too far and it's just not holding the board properly. So you can see in that little image there, the one on the left has gone in way too far, the one on the right is perfect. So I'm just going to put some new screws in there right next to those ones just to hold it up properly before I tape in the ceilings. And I check all the screws all the time. You want to do this before you tape your drywall. So it's very important to get those right and not screw them in too far. You can see in this picture here, the one on the left there is way too deep. It's broken the face paper, which is how it holds the board up. The one on the right there is where it says awesome is perfect, so that's where you want it, just below the surface. You can see on the screw there it's got that ridge below the head and that grips the paper. So, and that's why it's very important to use drywall screws and not just normal timber screws, because the timber screws won't go into the board properly. So very important to use the right screws and to get them screwed in at the right depth.
So here we go. If we just fill it once, it's kind of bulging down. You can see it in the light there. But if we go back, clean it off, it'll suck up. So when you do your next coat, you don't have to sand it or scrape it. You can just coat it up because it's sucked up. If you don't do that final swipe, it'll sort of hang down. That means, yeah, you're going to have to scrape every one before you do your next coat. So again, swipe. So really we're putting it on, swiping it off, then doing one more swipe, putting it on, see it's bulging down, and we're just pushing it in each way, I guess. And put it in, swipe it off again. Some guys like to do this method. Sorry, hang on, what am I doing? So, and then come back. So, same thing. Again, poke these little niggly bits up. So you can even, some of them even, if they're need quite a bit of plaster, they might just need an extra swipe just to get them to go up. Again here, you know, you just bump over that, so you just want to push that in. That's why these Richard knives are good, they got that hard metal at the end. That one's quite a bit there, so might just need an extra one. So walls are the same. This is a bracing sheet, so it's got a number of screws in it, so I'll do them all at the same time. And then just clean off. These ones aren't too bad. You can see there, just a bit of air. Some of them have air in them. Get all that plaster in. Squeeze all that air out. Squeeze that air out.